Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Grammarly for SEO writing improvements, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your computer or device. In the address bar, type www.grammarly.com and press enter. Once the Grammarly homepage loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address and password. If you prefer, you can also log in using Google or Facebook by clicking the appropriate button. After entering your details or selecting a social media option, click the login button to proceed. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Grammarly dashboard. To start writing, navigate to the text editor or click on the New Document option. You can paste or type your content directly into the editor. Grammarly will automatically scan your writing for grammar issues, style suggestions, and SEO improvements. Review the suggestions provided by Grammarly. Make necessary edits based on the feedback to enhance your writing. Utilize the explanations for each suggestion to understand how to improve your SEO writing skills. Once you're satisfied with your edits, you can download or share your document. Log out when you're finished to keep your account secure. That's how you log into Grammarly for SEO writing improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.